Hey guys, it's Crystal the Fit Mom. So a while ago, I did a review on the ab wheel with elbow support. And just recently I got a question and they wanted to know, okay, because it has elbow support, is it still just as effective? Am I still getting a good workout? Or should I just try and jump right to the ab wheel without elbow support? My answer for that is absolutely not. If you're just starting out with the whole ab wheel thing, the elbow support to me is the best way to go. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Just in case you guys didn't see the video, I'm just gonna go in and review this really quick with you guys. So this is the ab wheel. It's, in my opinion, it is for beginners or somebody that's just trying to get comfortable with using an ab wheel, or their core just isn't strong enough to be able to handle that at first. So of course the wheel is thicker, that's a plus, right? And then you have your elbow pads right here. This is cool too because it did come with a little knee pad and it had like a little counter with it too. I don't know what I did with that, but it came with this little pad. I use my own mat when I'm doing stuff like this, but so I want to show you guys, you're still getting just as much work as you would with an ab wheel if you're doing it right. If you're using your abs to pull yourself back up as opposed to using your butt. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So you're here, you got your hands right there on the handles, you got your elbows and the pads. So you're starting out just like this and you're going to roll yourself out as far as you can go. Everybody's different. So I'm going to roll out here. I'm going to go. I'm going to stop. And then I'm going to pull myself back in, but I'm using my abs. If there was a camera underneath me, you'd be able to see me engaging my abs and pulling myself back up using my core, using my abs, right? So the mistake a lot of people make is they'll go out and then they'll fall like that, right? So you don't want to do that. You just lost the whole point. And then they'll pull themselves up real fast, like with using their butt. Or they'll go out, they're here, but then they'll toot their butt up like this, right? And then come back that way. You don't want to toot your butt. You want to use your core, use your abs to pull yourself up, right? Let me show you that again. Another thing, if you're not able to go out that far, then you go out as far as you can go. So if you only can go out here and you're like, oh shoot, I can't go anymore. Pull yourself back, but use your abs. Using your abs here. So if you're here, stop, use your abs. Okay? Let me show you one more time. So you're gonna go out as far as you can go. Here, use your abs and your arms to pull yourself back up. So of course your arms are getting work because you're rolling yourself back in. I can feel my triceps working. I can feel my biceps working, but mainly my core, mainly all of this right here. So to answer anyone's question is, because it looks, it's not as sleek and as simple looking as the actual ab wheel. Oh, you know what? I'm not going outside, guys, but I have, it's like 100 million degrees here. So, but an actual ab wheel is just the little handles that stick out and there's like a little wheel like that thick, you know what I mean? And you just roll out like that. It's not as sleek looking as that, but it will get you ready if that's something that you're working towards. But of course, I think this is awesome for someone trying to start out, or if you're just worried about falling or collapsing. I mean, at least you have that elbow support, because when you have the regular ab wheel, you're out there, or I mean, it's just better. It's just better starting out. That was a lot of rambling, but anyways, it's just better starting out. With this, I would start out maybe doing maybe 8 to 10 rollouts. See how you feel. When you do, let me show you another thing. When you do that rollout, once you get to that point where you're at, that's what I meant to show you guys before. Once you get to that point right here, you're out, hold for a little bit. hold, and then come back. The other thing, so you're kind of like doing a plank, but you want to keep everything nice and tight, nice and engaged. You don't want your back to come into play. If your back starts to hurt when you're doing this, you're not engaging your abs, or you're going out too far. And then come in, right? All right, guys. So I just wanted to go ahead and address the question about the ab oil with support. Is it actually, getting you results because of these elbow pad things? Absolutely. Like I said, I did a couple and I'm like, oh, okay. So I did got a little workout in real quick right there. But like I said, this is just as effective. The thing is, guys, you find something and you see it's working for you, you have to stay consistent. You can't use this twice and then be like, oh, I didn't see any results, and then you're done with it. You have to stay consistent if this is something that you think you want to look into. Of course, I'll put the link. I got it from Amazon. I can't remember how much it was. I want to say 20 or 30 something, if that. But anyways, I'll go ahead and put the link in there so you guys can check it out. That's all I got, guys. Be sure to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.